Hey guys, Evan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a new page to your Wix website. So first you want to open up the Wix editor. If you don't know how to get to this, just go to your dashboard here and click on the top right where it says edit site. And then this is going to bring you to your edit page. And what you want to do is go to the left hand side here. And we want to go to this little menu here where we want to click on where it says menus and pages. And under the menu and pages tab here, we want to go down to where it says add page. And we have a bunch of different templates that we can choose from. So if you want to choose one of these pre-made templates, you can, or you can go to the top left and just add a blank page like so. So I'm going to add a blank page here, and we can go ahead and give this a name. So I can say, let's say we're going to make a pricing page. So I'm going to call it pricing, click on done. And now if we want to go ahead, we can click this button here and click on settings. And we can go ahead and modify all of the page info here. So we can either hide it from menu if we want, or we can to the layout section. We can choose if we want a header or footer, or if we want no header or footer. We can go to the permissions and we can make it so it's available to everybody, password holders only, or members only. And of course, we can go to the SEO basics here and we can look at how it looks on Google search results. If you want to move where this page shows in the menu, you can change that right here. And another way you can add a page is just by clicking the add button here. And it's going to go ahead and take you through the same process that we did before. So I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.